In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Shopify. By the end, you'll have PayPal linked to your store so customers can check out quickly and securely. Make sure you have access to your Shopify admin and your PayPal login ready. It also helps to know which PayPal account you want to use for receiving payments, especially if you manage more than one. Start by heading to shopify.com and clicking Login. Sign in to your store's admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where you control the behind-the-scenes parts of your store, including your payment providers. Next, choose Payments. The Payments page is your control center for everything related to checkout. Here, you'll see your current payment methods and options to add or manage providers. In the Supported Payment Methods section, you should already see PayPal listed. Shopify highlights it because it's one of the most widely used payment methods and it's commonly available by default. To proceed, click the small arrow next to PayPal to expand the details. This reveals the option you need to complete the connection. Click Complete Setup. Shopify will redirect you to PayPal so you can sign in and authorize the connection between your PayPal account and your Shopify store. This authorization is important because it allows Shopify to accept payments on your behalf through PayPal. Log into your PayPal account using your usual credentials and follow the prompts to grant permission. Make sure you're connecting the correct PayPal account for your business. If you manage multiple PayPal accounts, double check that you've selected the right one before confirming. After you approve the connection, you'll be taken back to Shopify automatically. Back in Shopify, you should see PayPal listed as active or connected. That indicates the setup is complete and your store is ready to accept PayPal payments at checkout. If you don't see the active status right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. You can always return to the payments section later to manage settings or disconnect if needed. That's it. Your PayPal and Shopify are now working together. This simple setup can make checkout faster for customers and help increase conversions with a trusted payment option. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.